Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Kia EV9? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, driver-centric layout with a sharp digital display. It also includes a central touchscreen with intuitive controls for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The display has dual 12.3-inch screens and a 5-inch climate panel for a modern, clean layout. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and over-the-air updates. The 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster that displays speed, navigation, and vehicle status, offering a modern and customizable driving interface. The vehicle features a shift-by-wire column-mounted gear shifter, providing a clean center console design and easy gear selection. The steering wheel features a leather-wrapped design with a comfortable grip and ergonomic controls. It includes integrated buttons for audio, cruise control, and hands-free phone operation. The 5.3-inch dedicated climate control touchscreen integrated into the center display, allowing easy adjustment of temperature, fan speed, and airflow. The floating center console with a clean, modern design that maximizes cabin space. It includes a wireless charging pad, hidden cup holders, and under armrest storage for convenience. Ambient lighting and USB-C ports add a refined, tech-friendly touch to the interior. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light, automatic brake hold system indicator, malfunction indicator lamp, charging system indicator, service warning light, power down indicator light, forward safety warning light, seatbelt reminder indicator, icy road warning light, high temperature indicator, anti-lock brake system indicator, supplemental restraint system indicator, electric power steering system indicator, vehicle stability assist system indicator, vehicle stability assist off indicator, low tire pressure or TPMS indicator, electronic parking brake warning light, turn signal and hazard warning indicators, lights on indicator, high beam indicator, auto high beam indicator, fog light indicator, front passenger airbag status light, door ajar warning light, automatic emergency braking warning light, charging cable connection indicator light, electric shift control system warning light, master warning light, immobilizer indicator light, inattentive driving warning light, lane safety indicator light, highway lane change assist indicator light, intelligent speed limit assist indicator light, battery conditioning mode indicator light, safety precaution, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbol, stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.